Hi, I'm Crystal, LS Boss Lady, hanging out here at the Daytona Truck Meet 2021 in the BDS booth. This is my truck. I have a 2018 Chevy Silverado on an 8-inch BDS coilover conversion with Fox shocks and Fox reservoirs. I'm sitting on 26 by 14 ruthless forged wheels with 37 by 13.5 by 26 Fury MTs. I went with the BDS lift because, great ride. I've heard awesome things about them, so I was like, you know what? This is something I've got to try out for myself. I wanted to do my first build with it, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Hands down, great suspension. If you're looking for one, definitely grab one. BDS is hands down, customer service is great. I can't say enough about their product. I built the truck, came to Daytona a couple years ago just to look around and started looking at everybody's, especially Lacey Blair and all them, and I thought, well, if they can do it, I can do it. So I decided to build this truck, and I've been on about a year now. I do it as a daily driver, so she gets driven around. I take her out of state to other truck shows, so she's a show truck, but she's also used as a daily driver. She gets put to work.